Transport is the backbone of India's mobility. Every day, millions of passengers depend on autos and taxis for safe and affordable last mile connectivity. But the system that supports this essential ecosystem is still analog and fragmented. Lakhs of independent auto and taxi drivers operate as small business owners. Yet, they face critical challenges. No statewide digital metering, high meter replacement costs, and no digital income records, which impacts their financial inclusion. Physical meters were designed for a different era. They malfunction frequently, lack a digital audit trail, and cannot integrate with modern permit or tax systems. This forces drivers to rely on costly aggregators or operate without accountability, resulting in frequent fare disputes for passengers and regulatory blind spots for the government. TOWNER solves this with India's first fully compliant, government rate-based mobile digital meter system. It requires zero hardware cost and zero maintenance cost for the driver. TOWNER is a 100% independent business tool built exclusively for the driver community. TOWNER adheres strictly to government fare rules, including base fare, per kilometer, waiting, and night charges. Every calculation is transparent, time-stamped, and audit-ready. This eliminates manipulation and ensures 100% transparent, 100% compliant transport. Crucially, TOWNER updates drivers from being gig workers to self-employed business owners. The app provides them with accurate digital bills for every ride, daily, weekly, and monthly P&L reports and expense tracking. A verifiable digital ledger that acts as income proof for loans, insurance, and MSME schemes. This is financial inclusion built into the system. For the government, TOWNER delivers a complete digital compliance ecosystem. The RTO dashboard provides real-time trip density and route heat maps, visibility into permit status and illegal operators, safety alert triggers and complete mapping. This strengthens public safety and urban planning by turning transport chaos into structured mobility data. TOWNER is designed for statewide scalability. With its zero hardware offline mode support, it is perfectly suited for rollout in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities where physical meters are often non-functional or unavailable. This ensures quick adoption, uniform compliance, and boosts the local economy by providing affordable digital tools to all drivers. First, the standardized and approved mobile meter system. Within 12 months, we project a 70% reduction in fare disputes, 100% traceable ride records, and significant income stability for drivers. TOWNER is not an aggregator. It is a GovTech innovation. Our architecture is built with privacy by design and is ready for RRSL certification. We request in-principle approval to operate as a government-compliant mobile meter solution, along with RTO API access for permit validation and tax incentives. No financial investment is required from the government. This is a pivotal move. The state has the opportunity to lead India in transparent, digital, and citizen-friendly mobility. TOWNER empowers our drivers with dignity, protects our passengers with transparency, and strengthens governance. Together, we can build India's most trusted last-mile transport ecosystem. TOWNER, technology for transparency, mobility for all.